Good morning. I am Prarthana Madhu of Class 6B with today's news updates. First, international news headlines of coronavirus. South America has become a new epicenter of coronavirus pandemic according to the World Health Organization. The region officially has more than 6,454 confirmed cases and 31,454 deaths. Now, national headlines. The total number of global coronavirus cases has surpassed 5.6 million, including more than 4,654 deaths. Now, sports news. Footballers and cricketers are making special arrangements to them and those around them as it is coronavirus. Now, weather reports. Weather reports of 29th May. It is pleasant and with periodic clouds. 39 degrees Celsius. Humidity 39 degree. Dew point 90 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all. I am John Isaac from Class 6B with today's news updates. News headlines. His Majesty issues 2 royal degrees on Wednesday. Supreme Committee press conference began. English cricket season delayed until the end of July. Temperatures could rise over most parts of the Sultan. Today's news in details. His Majesty Sultan Hamid bin Haytham bin Tariq on Wednesday issued 2 royal degrees. 1. Royal Degree Number 59/2020 establishes the Special Office. 2. Royal Degree Number 60/2020 appoints a head of the Special Office. Dr. Hamad bin Said bin Sulaiman Al Afu, along with his current grade and financial dues. The 9th press conference of the Supreme Committee on COVID-19 was held day before yesterday. Ministry of Health, we highly appreciate His Majesty the Sultan's directive to establish a new central public health laboratory. Oman reports 778 new cases of COVID-19, including 265 Omanis, bringing to the total number in the Sultan to 14,316. World news. Worldwide coronavirus today's updates. Coronavirus cases 69,68,715. Deaths 3,98,586. Recovery 33,63,315. Sports news. London. No professional cricket will be played in England and Wales before July 28 due to the coronavirus pandemic, cricket chief announced on Friday. The country championship, which comprises of 4-day first-class matches, was due to start on July 12th. Today's forecast. Muscat. The Oman Public Authority for Civil Aviation (PACA) has indicated that the temperatures could rise over most parts of the Sultan starting from July 10th, 2020 till July 12th, 2020 as a result of the northwesterly winds. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Navina of class 6B with the news updates. Let us hear the headlines for today. International news. Twitter has hidden a tweet by President Donald Trump from his profile, increasing between Twitter and the White House. Coronavirus has spread all across 50 states in US, leaving a death toll of 1 lakh from more than 1.6 million confirmed cases. Worldwide, corona status is reported as near about 1 crore confirmed, 25 lakhs recovered and death around 3.7 lakhs. Let's pass on to national news. Oman ended on May 29 the lockdown according to Oman's national news agency. The government statement said that at least 50% of employees will be working from their offices from May 31st. 70% of foreign experts forming in Oman, civil and government units will not be allowed to continue after present contract, making the lessons interesting for the students to encourage to study during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. An education expert said 811 new coronavirus cases reported in Oman. According to MOH, the total confirmed cases of coronavirus has touched 9,820. Now about India. Already locked by a declining economy led by the coronavirus, millions of swarming locusts destroying their crops in Rajasthan, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. The worst locust attack in the last 27 years. China and India avoided the third party interest in solving their LOC issue. Sports news. ICC meeting said to be decided on T20 World Cup and the IPL. There is a chance for it to be postponed to March 2021, will be decided by June 10, 2020. Weather news. Depression in Arabian Sea may bring 2 years worth of rain to Salalah this weekend. The rainfall of 380 millimeter is predicted by AccuWeather Oman within 3 days. Stay home, stay safe, be blessed. Thank you